What's up everyone, we're back. I've missed an entire day again, but I've just been running around like I had this chook. We've done all the rest of the stickers on the bonnet. They look really cool. There's still one more to go on there. Done an oil change since we run the engine in last night. It's a bit noisy in here because the Pete's on his CNC machine and so on and so forth. But yeah, we've got to wait till 6 PM until the officers upstairs have all gone home, and then we can start making some noise again. So we'll start giving this thing some full power runs. We gave it like low boost one last night, you would have seen. And now I just got to add some brake lights. So I'm just making some new Deutsch plugs on the front here because we got to put a brake light up the top and then another one at the back. So much been going on. It's crazy. And Bree and her sister rocked up yesterday, and we've only got the van, and yeah, so unfortunately, sorry guys, you've been Ubering it around, but yeah, doing what I can do at the moment. Oh yeah, bumping day's tomorrow, so this is like, once this is all tuned up, ready to go, then I've got to take it off, put it back to its ride height. Should get a wheel alignment, but I'm not going to have time. So I'll just do an eye alignment, and then we should be all sweet. I hope you just heard all that, because it's really noisy in here. But anyway, I've got to really do this wiring quick before Chia gets on the dyno. Alright, dyno session's done. Now we got to lower it back to where it used to be, so I'm just got it jacked up. Gonna grab some C spanners. Thanks, Chia. Yeah, Chia did a killer job on the tune. It's making too much power, it's not getting traction properly on the dyno. Cheese the set of traces, but it's all good. Got these stupid brake lights hooked up now. God, hate them. But yeah, as you can tell in here, I'm the only one in the workshop. They're all next door tuning Stewie's paddle shifted crazy GTIR. I should be filming that, but I've got to get busy. Let's do this. Lowering an E92 with Wisefab. Drop the shock. All done. Done. Alright, the only thing I've got left now is, oh, you want to see the end result? Sack it. That's better. Now the diff's its usual 30mm off the ground. All good. Right, all we need to do now is put this stupid brake light on that's on the back on the front. So we have one on the back and the front, and then your normal brake lights, just so everyone in the world knows when you're braking. It's a great idea. Right, then yeah, I've done the oil change. Everything's good to go. Looks really cool with gold stickers, huh? But it needs black wheels on the back. Get rid of these equips. That's gonna happen. Pretty much it. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Tomorrow is practice day. Can't freaking wait. Big thanks to Chia and all the boys at Powertune. If it wasn't for you guys, RBM3 would not be ready for this weekend's World Time Attack Challenge. And I know this video is going to be late, but I really hope all you guys can come out there and see it, because it's going to be freaking nuts. Oh, that is a wrap, but if you want to keep watching, we're going to see what the GTIR pulls on the dyno. So stay tuned. Alright guys.